Take a look at this photo I captured from the Trip Check ODOT government camp camera this afternoon. This was right about 4 o'clock this afternoon as the snow started to take over. It's about 3,500 feet right now for the snow level, so kind of give you an idea of where it's at. It started out this morning closer to 6,000 feet, and you can see that line of snow over the Cascades now starting to diminish. Still a pretty good shower there up east of Mill City. That's heading into the Cascades, also east of Canby, and heading up the 205 corridor, and also a very good line of showers and thunder showers out off the coast right now. So if you're out along the beach in Cannon Beach, one of our big winners in the PinPoint WeatherNet rain contest today, 83/100ths of an inch, 7/10ths of an inch in Boring as well as Hillsborough, and almost 7/10ths of an inch there at St. Thomas More School in southwest Portland. Rainfall across the state, almost 3/4 of an inch in Portland, over an inch there in North Bend, and east of the Cascades, you guys not getting in on the act as much. You'll see more overnight tonight and again into Sunday. Today's high is 50 in Portland. Everybody has cooled down quite nicely though, because that front did blow through down to 41 right now in Westland, 43 for Gresham, as well as Vancouver and Eastmoreland. Flying out across the rest of the state, 43 also for Newport, 37 in Bend. Could see a few snow showers there tonight as some clearing moves in, some colder air starts to take over. Now, this is the front responsible for all the rain and wind today. That's front number one. There are two more embedded in this whole mass of moisture out here, and that is all heading into the Pacific Northwest. And as we go through the coming days, it's going to turn quite wet and windy. In fact, here we are tomorrow morning, snow showers over the Cascades, rain showers over the valley. And then that wall of water really hits us tomorrow afternoon, and it kind of keeps on coming in waves all the way into Monday. We're going to have to watch the potential for some flooding concerns. In fact, take a look at the potential rain between now and Tuesday. Over almost 5 inches there in Newport, about 4 inches in Corvallis. This is really my greatest area of concern right now, the central Willamette Valley as well as the central Coast Range. I think they're going to be the bullseye. And the Cascades, you guys getting in on the act as well. Up to 3 to 6 inches tonight for government camp, as well as 6 to 12 inches there for Timberline. So overall, not a great storm, but the snow level is going up. And here's what happens with the winds. They really start to pick up as we go into tomorrow night, and same thing heading into Monday. It's going to be very, very breezy, even here in the I-5 corridor. So be prepared for some very wet and windy conditions. Out along the coast, a high wind watch goes up into effect tomorrow afternoon. Highs in the 50s, gusts to 60 possible. Evening wind gusts in the valley possible to 40 miles per hour. Rain and wind increasing for the I-5 corridor as well as we go through the day. East side, showers and breezy as we go through the day. High wind watch goes up late in the day. For the gorge in the Cascades, morning snow level 3,500 feet going up to 6,000 feet late in the day towards evening time. And here in the metropolitan area, 51 downtown. Rain and wind increasing as we go through the day, gusts to 40 miles per hour. Daytime highs topping out right about 50 degrees across the metropolitan area after overnight lows tonight in the 40s. And your day planner out the door in the morning, 42 degrees, showers likely. Areas of rain increasing at noon, rain and wind at 4 o'clock, 51 degrees. And your 7-day forecast looks like heavy rain on Monday and wet and breezy Tuesday. At this point, Turkey Day not looking like a washout, but certainly after several days of rain, it will feel like a washout.
Yeah, it looks pretty wet.
Yes.
All right. Thanks a lot, Brian.